I'm making my pasta salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, and grilled green onion, crushed olive vinaigrette.
Ooh.
Wowie.
Into this very generously salted pot of generously salted water, I have put my, what is this, Jeff? Can you name that pasta?
Fusilli.
Fusilli, and I love this because this grabs. You need grabbing pasta.
I like fusilli for a pasta salad.
So I'm gonna take these grilled, I have some beautiful grilled scallions, nice and charred. We've been doing this all spring. I love this, really, it's really fantastic. Our pasta's in, that's where the magic happens. This water has to be very salted like the sea because we are not using this water. If you were making a sauce in the pan, you would make it salty as broth. So when you added it, it wouldn't get too salty. So in this case, we're gonna fully cook it to a real al dente, but really salty, okay? Then we're gonna make a vinaigrette. That's our flavoring agent, a vinaigrette. What do we have? We have mustard. What else do we have, Jeff?
Olive oil.
And vinegar, Chardonnay vinegar. I like
Chardonnay.
Chardonnay vinegar. I like 50-50. I don't like 3-to-1. I'm always very vinegary. Like I believe both of you are very vinegary as well. Okay, pasta's cooking. I have all my mise en place here. I'm gonna chop up these beautiful scallions.
So good.
Oh. My gosh, hot, hot.
You can do it. We believe in you.
This is just olive oil, salt, and pepper. Very simple.
Oh my God.
Oh, heavens.
Let's taste this. I think it's gonna be fine. So this is what's gonna flavor the pasta plus everything else we're putting in. The pasta, strangely enough, doesn't need a lot of things for flavoring. A lot of dressings and mayo is too much dressing. It just overwhelms the pasta. I know you do. Okay, so we're gonna put all our stuff here. And then we're gonna wait for our pasta to cook because I want the pasta to really hit the vinaigrette and really soak up that vinaigrette. Because everything else is just gonna go along for the ride, all right?
Nice.
So what do we have here? We have some Kalamata olives, some fresh dill, some fresh Italian parsley, and some provolone, which is hard to leave alone, especially when it's cut up. Some red onions, and some tomatoes that I've lightly salted, and some arugula. That's the ingredient.
Provolone.
Provolone.
Wow.
Mystery little addition there.
Jeff, you love provolone.
I love it. Shoot me.
Very good, excellent.
Provolone Express, next up, my mouth.
Jeffrey, I love that you're making this room temp. I love that you're dropping hot pasta into a vinaigrette so it absorbs everything. But I just love that cold elbow macaroni salad with mayo
That's in the
out of
deli
the fridge.
case, right? It's in the deli case.
From a deli guy, I am not a fan of deli-style mac salad or any type of pasta salad. I like this. This is how I make my pasta salads.
Revelation.
I'm with you.
Revelation.
Katie, help me.
I'm with you.
We're good.
Here we go.
That's
we don't drain it. Just do the whole,
Okay.
I call this the lazy method.
Sammy the spider. Look at him go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
another
if you
thing
don't
that I
have
like
one of those spiders,
My
get
pasta
one.
salads are like 1/3 pasta, 2/3 salads. I don't like a lot of pasta ratio. A lot of people put a lot of pasta, just a little stuff.
Another thing
That's
I
all the
agree with
pasta.
you on, Jeff. What is
I'm
going
with you on that, Jeffrey, because I like a lot of
Yeah.
stuff.
Olives, parsley, dill, provolone. Yeah, that's for you.
Thank you. Just put it in my provolone zone.
I guess since we don't agree with him on everything, we don't get any cheese.
Onions.
You guys,
Tomato.
you didn't play it right.
Okay, and a lot of pepper. You gotta have pepper. Pepper wakes everything up, especially pasta salad. And Alex is determining what this tastes like. Last thing, arugula.
You're right. I really am. I'm doing a little math equation in my head. It looks great. I can smell it from here, too.
So
'cause it's
the
hot.
pasta is gonna suck up all that. The warmth is gonna slightly wilt the arugula, but I'm gonna put some fresh on top so you have fresh and cooked. And that's the key, to me, to a real pasta salad that you will go back to every time. And it actually, all this mixing will put it to a temperature that's really ambient. So you'll be able to eat it. There has to be a balance between the green and the vinaigrette, and the pasta just is there to like beef everything up. Are you ready? We're gonna give it a TV
I have
shot.
to say, this is beautiful and fresh looking.
Why do you want mayo? Your pasta salad will not look like this if you put mayo in it.
You know what I'd like to do? I'd like to eat a bowl of macaroni salad with the mayo while looking at this. I would be really happy.
Why can't you just have both, you know?
You can have both. But I recommend this for an outside picnic or an outside al fresco dining.
Well, here's the benefit of the no mayo with a salad like this. If you are traveling and you can't keep it cold, this will not go bad.
That's what ice is for, Katie. But all right.
That's true, though.
It's so,
A little safer in the hot summer heat, too.
so delicious.
That's gorgeous, Jeffrey. I'm just busting your
The
chops.
arugula and the olive. It's like it's almost like a niçoise salad, but that arugula really just jazzes it all up.
I can smell the dill from here, which I love with the idea of the salty cheese.
So delicious.